Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare two ETFs, SDIV with SPYD. Now in this video I'm going to compare expense ratio, dividend yield history, then performance of both. Then I will also look on assets under management, average daily volume, so everything. So without further ado, let's start. Also, if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, I created a course and you will find the course down below in the description. So what we can find here, first thing first, expense ratio 0.59 comparing to 0.07, assets under management 5 billion and to 900 million, and then average daily volume 40 million comparing to 6 million. In every single regard, SPYD is dominating SDIV. You can see even the expense ratio. So you would pay $59 if you would invest $10,000 with SDIV. On the other hand, with SPYD, you would pay only $7. Now you see right here, assets under management, 5 billion comparing to 900 million again, and average daily volume 40 million comparing to 6.42 million. Now you see also number of holdings here. Number of holdings, 80 comparing to 99. And let me show you. When you look here on what they're actually covering, you see here financials is SDIV, energy and basic materials, financials primarily. With SPYD, we see 34% financials, utility 17, energy 11, consumer non-cyclicals nearly 10. And when we look on what they're actually covering, you see right here that total waning, Electra, a lot of international. Then you see right here, Simon Property Group. Many unknown companies. Both of these ETFs are risky if you want to invest into those, and I'll be straight away and I will explain you why. Because like the growth potential is not that really great with both of these ETFs. The downside protection also not that great. The performance, if I would compare it to VY and VTI or like other stocks and ETFs, is not that great. And when I look here, let me show you with SDIV, with SPYD, and they are overlapping by 5% by weight. Only 4% of SDIV 99 holdings are also SPYD, and 5% SPYD 79 holdings are also SDIV. So when we look at this, we can clearly see that they're not overlapping at all. And I want to show you, this is the most fun part of the whole video. When I check here and I compare, let's say we are going to invest $10,000 initial amount, and then we are going to invest $500 monthly every single month. Let's see how much money we would make with SDIV and SPYD in the past. We can clearly see that you would make with SDIV, if you would start investing in 2016, $46,000, and with SPYD you would make $66,000. And you see it's going to up and down, round and round, but every single month, every single year, SPYD outperform SDIV, but they're both so damn risky. And yes, with SDIV you have higher dividend yield, but when you look on the growth, it's not that great. And let me just show you VYM here. So let's say I'm going to add VYM, analyze portfolio, and look at this. When we look on the VYM, we see, sorry that I'm jumping around. With VYM, you would make $147,000 comparing to $76,000 with SDIV. See, there are many like ETFs that are much more well performing, because yes, you got dividend, but look on the performance of the whole ETF, not only dividend. I'll always remember that. And now let's go back to SPYD. So $46,000 compared to $66,000. But the recent returns, 2021 from dividend yield perspective was better for SDIV. And that's pretty much it. So to summarize this whole video, SDIV doesn't have high average daily volume, really high expense ratio, not a lot of assets under management. With SPYD, you got every single these three things better. But with SPYD and sectors, they got also covered in real estate. There are many not well-known companies on both sides. So I don't know that I wouldn't recommend investing to any of these. That's my recommendation. What kind of investor I am. But again, you can maybe like it and you would go that way. That's completely up to you. So this is pretty much it. Let me down below your thoughts on both of these. And if you want to learn how you can make money with ETFs, I created a course. You will find the course down below in the description. So goodbye guys and see ya.